Hey guys, did you know that having a membership with Live Good allows you to have all the supplements your body needs in one place? It also gives you an opportunity to save money and make money. To learn more about how to join me with Live Good, click on the link in the description and take the Live Good tour. Hey guys, it's Crystal the Fit Mom. So I don't know if you remember, but a few months back, I did a review on Kachava meal replacement drink and the flavor was chocolate. So that was good. I went on and on about how good the chocolate was, but I didn't give any of the other flavors a fair chance because I was so hooked on the chocolate. Now with the vanilla, I was like, okay, yeah, vanilla's good. You can mix it with everything, do what you want, blah, blah, blah. The chai, I was like, I wasn't feeling it. I didn't even give it a chance. I took a sip of it and I was like, oh, this is gross. Chocolate is where it's at. But let's talk about how I gave chai a chance, right? But before we get into that, I want to go back to the nutritional benefits of the Kachava. So of course, it only has 240 calories for a meal replacement, it has 25 grams of protein, it has 4 grams of fiber, and 26 vitamins and minerals. So this is full of good stuff. There's good stuff in here, right? Now, the flavor, the chai, I don't know if my taste buds are just changing or what's happening, but this is doing it for me right now. And I'm not just saying it because I have no affiliation with Kachava. I just like it. But what I've done, now you know, you guys, I'm rocking with Live Good. So what I've done, these super greens, the Live Good super greens, I'm mixing that with my Kachava. I don't have to, but you can't have too many greens in my opinion. You just can't. So let me show you guys what I'm doing really quick. So I got my, what is this? Oh, my personal Hamilton Beach. I don't know if you guys remember the story, but anyways, my Ninja broke a long time ago. I have a brand new Ninja, but now I'm so hooked on my personal blender with Hamilton Beach that, because it's just so convenient, I haven't even got back to that, but that's another story. But let me show you. Let me make my drink real quick. Throw some water in here. Now, with Kachava, it says 2 heaping scoops, right? So there's one. Oh, I made a mess. But anyways, there's 1, and then there's 2. Okay, so that's that. And then so my super greens, now this is what I'm talking about when I talk about Live Good. They have the super reds, the super greens, but I mix the super greens with everything, right? I even threw some of these in my pancakes just because I'm crazy like that. But so 1 scoop of my super greens, threw this in here. And you guys know you don't have to, and I'm not going to this time, but I usually throw a banana in there. Some people are like, oh, that adds extra sugar and this and that. I understand, but it adds extra yumminess for me as well. Blueberries. I put blueberries in, oh, I'm almost out. That's terrible. So I throw my frozen blueberries in here. Okay, so that is basically my ice. That's basically my ice for my shake. So, got my water, got my blueberries, my super greens, and my Kachava. I'm gonna throw my lid on here. Now with this, you gotta make sure that lid on there is super good. Make sure this little hole is closed. And, oh, heck, y'all didn't see that. But anyways, lock this into place. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. So you gotta lock it into place right there. And it's so cute. This thing is so cute. So I'm gonna let you guys watch it work. So with this thing, it's super cool because you can, I'm talking while this thing's going, you guys can't hear me. But anyways, you can have this in your office. You can have this basically, heck, anywhere, right? Where you want to mix stuff, but it's really small. It's cute. It's like a foot tall. With that. So let it work. Let it work. And it mixes really good. It mixes up really good. All right, so, okay. So that's what I got with this. And so I'm gonna take a sip real quick. And see, this to me, it's giving like a holiday type thing. I can't explain it, but it's really, really, really good. Almost like a pumpkin spice type thing going on. Now, of course, you can have the chai. You can have it by itself. You don't have to put the greens in there. You don't have to put the blueberries in there. But the flavor itself is really good. Like I said, with the super greens, you can't have too many greens. So that's why I threw it in there. But just wanted to share that review with you guys. Felt bad I wasn't giving the chai a chance. So I just wanted to do that review and let you guys know that Kachava chai is not so bad. All right, guys, I'm gonna put a link. Well, for the Hamilton Beach, you can get that from Amazon. I'll put a link there. But if you're interested in the Live Good opportunity, I would definitely put a link so you guys could take the Live Good tour. I'm not affiliated with Kachava. I don't have a link for them, but you guys can just go to their site and check out what they have to offer. All right, guys, until next time, bye.